If you're a complete beginner and want to learn how to invest in stocks, listen carefully, because I'm going to explain the entire process in the simplest way possible. Investing in stocks basically means buying tiny pieces of a company, and when that company grows, your money grows with it. But, before you invest a single dollar, the first step is understanding your goal. Are you investing for long-term wealth, saving for retirement, or trying to grow your money slowly over time? Once you know your goal, open a brokerage account on platforms like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. These apps allow you to buy and sell stocks just like online shopping. Next, don't try to pick random companies because someone on the internet said they're going to the moon. Instead, start with companies you understand, your favorite brands like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, or Coca-Cola. And if individual stocks feel risky, you can invest in index funds or ETFs, which are baskets of many companies and are safer for beginners. Always remember the golden rule: never invest money you can't afford to lose, and avoid putting everything into one stock. Diversify your investments, so if one company drops, your whole portfolio doesn't crash. Also, focus on long-term investing. Don't panic when the market goes up or down, because temporary dips are normal. The best investors stay consistent. Invest a fixed amount every month and let compound interest do its magic. Finally, study the basics. Learn about market trends, earnings reports, PE ratios, and how to read charts. But don't overcomplicate things. Experience is the best teacher. Start small, stay patient, and treat investing like planting a tree. The best time to start was years ago, but the second best time is today. So take action, invest wisely, and let your money work for you instead of you always working for money.